Another active night at 9:30 p.m. PST, June 28th. Tropical Cyclone 2 is becoming better organized. There may actually be some westerly winds as it passed north of Tobago earlier today. But the NEC has not upgraded yet. Um, it could become a tropical depression over the next 24 hours. It's looking pretty intense. I mean, LSC is about in here. Um, Definitely some batting, and some of the easterly winds have been upwards of 60 miles per hour. So this is a very intense system, no matter what. I mean, moving pretty much westward, a little bit north of westward at 285 by 23 knots. It's probably one of the reasons why it hasn't formed an LSC. It has 35 knot winds. It's probably a little bit stronger. They're still forecasting it to become a hurricane as it heads into the Western Caribbean. We can show you the forecast track. Just before it makes landfall in Nicaragua, it becomes a hurricane. Then in the Pacific could be a tropical storm. So it's going to probably be a crossover. I think it's possibly becomes a tropical cyclone over the next 24 hours. But at this speed, this close to South America, it's a coin toss. But I think it will definitely become a tropical cyclone in the Western Caribbean and potentially move into the Eastern Pacific, becoming. We'll have to see what its future is going to be. Well, there's plenty of other systems, so I went crazy last night. There's 94L, which is pretty much a depression in my mind. Nice LSC. ASCAT earlier showed LSC, nice convection. Probably will be upgraded soon. Let's see. And some other good news. Hey, Sarah's gone, so we're not going to talk about it. Remnant alone. Well, 94E moves west-northwest out to sea. Probably going to become a depression. Then a tropical storm, probably 35 to 45 knots. Right now, they say it has 70% chance of formation. There's another system in the Gulf of Mexico. They're not looking too good tonight. This system's going to move, based on the models, down near Texas the next 24 to 36 hours. And the ANC has it at 40. I'm trying to doubt it even 400, but it's a broad LSC, and that means it's worth watching. Models have pretty much dropped this idea. There's 36 hours for Texas. But 36 hours over the Gulf is 36 hours. Lastly, we got a system in the Eastern Atlantic, another one, which is right here, and it looks kind of crappy. It's really unlikely to form. The ANC says 30% chance for this. Now wave coming off Africa, not very likely to form. There's one more image of potential tropical cyclone 2. Probably a tropical storm in the next 24 hours. But that's a coin toss until it clears into the Eastern Caribbean. Then potentially it could still become a hurricane, but we'll have to see. Still, like I said last night, I mean, one just has to think maybe it doesn't reach a hurricane for this time of year. That would be a really impressive feat. Well, that's your truck update.